Generate a random date between two other dates. How would I generate a random date that has to be between two other given dates? The function signature should be something like this. And would return a date such as February 4th, 2008 7:20 p.m.
Convert both strings to timestamps in your chosen resolution, for example milliseconds, seconds, hours, days, whatever. Subtract the earlier from the later, multiply your random number, assuming it is distributed in the range 0, 1, with that difference, and add again to the earlier one. Convert the timestamp back to date string and you have a random time in that range. Python example, output is almost in the format you specified, other than zero padding, blame the American time format conventions.
The precision is seconds. You can increase precision up to microseconds, or decrease to, say, half hours, if you want. For that, just change the last line's calculation. Example run. Output.
Updated answer. It's even more simple using Faker. Installation. Usage. Old answer. It's very simple using radar. Installation. Usage.
A tiny version. Note that both start and end arguments should be datetime objects. If you've got strings instead, it's fairly easy to convert. The other answers point to some ways to do so.